Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
I'll just wait for 1 or 2 minutes. Let all join.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Hi, good morning. So we'll start now. Section C.
Yes, ma'am.
Anindya. Aparna.
Present, ma'am.
Harapriya. Nagnajita. Manisha.
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Nivedita. Pratyasha. Priyanka.
Present, ma'am.
Rima Panna. Priyanka, is your video not working or what? Rima, are you there? No. Saloni.
Present, ma'am.
Pradhanjali. Sneha Nayak.
Present, ma'am.
Shubhra Shweta.
Present, ma'am.
Surabhi Patra.
Present, ma'am.
Susri Sharmista. Tamanna Behra.
Present, ma'am.
Vijeta.
Present, ma'am.
Amas Behra. Aditya Adhikari. Sorry, Aditya Adhikari.
Present, ma'am.
Aditya Om Pradhan. Anshul Mohanty.
Present, ma'am.
Anshuman Pradhan.
Present, ma'am.
Asutosh Areman.
Present, ma'am.
Asutosh Dupal.
Present, ma'am.
Atman. Ayush.
Present, ma'am.
Bhupesh.
Present, ma'am.
Vishwaranjan. Hare Krishna.
Present, ma'am.
Harshit.
Present, ma'am.
Jayadev. Mukesh Kishan.
Present, ma'am.
Piyush. Pratyush. Nirmal.
Present, ma'am.
Piyush Parida.
Present, ma'am.
Pratyush Shahu.
Present, ma'am.
Roshan Nayak.
Present, ma'am.
Satyam Nayak.
Present, ma'am.
Shumit Behra. Suplas. Binay Bagh.
Present, ma'am.
Priyadarshini. Now going to section F. Sambhavi.
Present, ma'am.
Shuruchi.
Present, ma'am.
Jigyasa.
Present, ma'am.
Haripriya,
Present, ma'am.
Anubhav Malik,
Present, ma'am.
Abhishek Mishra,
Present, ma'am.
Atirup,
Present, ma'am.
Ansuman,
Present, ma'am.
Romya Ranjan,
Present, ma'am.
Ronak Jhajaria,
Present, ma'am.
Rupam Bhuiya, Jagjit, Varun,
Present, ma'am.
Jaideep, Jaidev gave me attendance, he joined late. Jaidev Singh, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Only 42 attendance showing, whereas I wanted 56. That means 16
Ma'am, I
are
am
absent.
present, ma'am.
Who? Abbas Behra.
Yes, ma'am.
Abbas Behra, okay. Now let me just call out again those who did not respond. Anindya, are you there? Haripriya, regular absent is this girl. Nivedita, are you there? Pratyasha, Rima Panna, Shraddhanjali, Sushri Sarmishra, Aditya Om Pradhan, Atman Chintak, Vishwaranjan Ekka, these all are absent whom I am calling twice. Shumit Behra, Shuplas, Priyadarshini.
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Who? Shuplas. Who is
Yes, ma'am.
present?
Ma'am, Suplas.
Shuplas. Okay. Shumit Behra, are you present? No. Priyadarshini Dhar? No. Then coming to Rupam Bhuiya, Jagjit Singh, Jaidev Singh. So total attendance today is 43. Shalan, I had given you some extra questions. That day also I was talking to you. None of you said, ma'am, midpoint theorem is not taught to us. That is 8.9. It was slipped from my mind. That is why after this half of this quadrilateral chapter, I was talking to you, giving you questions on that. None of you told me. Now, are you ready with your book?
Yes,
Is
ma'am.
the book with you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So we'll be doing the midpoint theorem, which is number wise 8.9.
Yes.
Right? Are you ready? Will I start 8.9 now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
What the statement says? The line segment joining the midpoints of two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side. Is the board visible, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Theorem. .9. Now you have to remember some statements of some theorems, like when I call or just I say midpoint theorem, you should make out what the statement of the theorem is. The line segment joining joining the midpoints of two sides of a triangle I'm using some short form. If you're facing difficulty, do tell me. Okay?
Ma'am,
Hope you will understand it. Points of two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side. To the third side. This much is given in your book. Exactly if you see the midpoint theorem, there is some part missing here. What is that? I will add that to remember the statement, and accordingly we will move for the proof also. And half of it. This part is missing. Half of it means half of the third side. Is that clear? Am I audible, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the first step? To write given data from the statement. For that, we have to draw the figure and we have to name it. Now look to the board. Let me draw it. Whenever general case you are doing, you go for a scalene triangle. Name it A, B, C. Now, let us take AB and AC are the two sides whose midpoints we have to mark. C, then D and E. If this is midpoint of, if D is midpoint of AB, what do we get? This is equal to this. If E is the midpoint, AE equal to EC. Let me give the mark. Now join this. If you join, we have to prove DE is the line segment which is joining midpoints of AB and AC. Could you follow me? Now,
Yes, ma'am.
before we move to prove, as already I have told you, you have to decide what way we will prove it. Now, we have to prove DE parallel to BC as well as or and DE equal to half of BC. Am I clear? We have taken two sides,
Yes, ma'am.
AB and AC into consideration. So what is the third side? Obvious BC? Yes or no? Now write down. I'm writing here given that the next step, no space, less space to make it clear. So I'm writing here given AD is equal to BD and AE is equal to CE. That's all given to us. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, what to prove? What to prove? Children, I am writing this way the steps. Do not get confused. After the statement comes given, then comes to prove. I just can write TP also. You will follow me. To prove DE parallel to BC and DE equal to BC by 2. I hope this is clear to you.
Yes, ma'am.
Understood?
Yeah.
Now, is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So what way will we proceed to prove? Should we go for any construction or not? Before moving to construction stage, we have to decide what way will we proceed. Now, only given to us, this is midpoint, this is midpoint. Nothing else given. And this is though related to a triangle, but based on the quadrilateral chapter. That also you should not forget. Am I clear? So definitely we will find out some way by which we are using the quadrilateral also. What way? Look now. If I will like to prove DE parallel to BC, how can I prove it? I will take help of Parallelogram. In a parallelogram or in a trapezium only, one pair of opposite sides is parallel, right? If I take
Yes, ma'am.
trapezium, my purpose will be not solved. So I have to consider only the parallelogram. But here there is no scene of parallelogram. Then what will I do? I will like to develop it. If I have to develop, I have to go for some construction. What way will I do the construction? Now, I will like to create a parallelogram in which DE will be parallel to BC. Definitely with that, I can develop a line through B or through C, which is parallel to BD, and then I will extend this line. If I will extend this line, I will get two triangles which I have to prove equal, then both of this will be proved. So what to do? Draw a parallel line through C to BD. Now draw a parallel line. This is parallel to this. And then extend this line EF. At point F they are intersecting. Is that clear to everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What benefit are we getting? What we get, that also we have to take care. This line which intersects a line parallel to BD through C. That means BD is parallel to CF. By construction we got only this much. Now, before we prove, first of all, with the figure, I have to give you complete information about the proof. Then only we will proceed here. Look now, I have to consider triangle ADE with CFE. This triangle with this triangle I have to consider. What am I going to get? Vertically opposite angles are equal. This is known to us. This angle is equal to this angle. Agreed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This much clear? And then what else are we getting? Now E is the midpoint of AC that is given to us. So AE equal to CE. We got one angle, one side. Then what
Yes, ma'am.
required to prove congruent triangles? These triangles, if I want to prove, what is the third criteria required? Either the included side EF equal to ED, which is impossible in our part to
One angle or
So
one.
we cannot consider that. Understood? If I have to prove ADE congruent to CFE, we got AE equal to CE and AED is equal to CEF. We got one side and one angle to be equal. But we need third criteria also to prove to be congruent. So what else we need? Either DE equal to
Or
E.
angle or side.
That's not possible in our part. So we will not consider that. Then coming to AD equal to FC, not going to fulfill our criteria. So what we need? AAS. This criteria we can use here. How? This angle is known to us. Definitely the adjacent angle will be this one. Let it be 1. Let it be 2. Is this into you 1 and 2 where I had written?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
see, we have drawn by construction CF parallel to BA.
Ma'am, it's a alternate
If
angle.
AB parallel to CF and BF is your transversal, then interior alternate angles 1 equal to 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Agreed? So what we got? AAS. Similarly, AAS. Basing on these two, we can prove they are congruent. If they are congruent, what benefit are we getting? Side opposite to equal angle is CF is equal to AD. but it is also given to us AD equal to BD. Now, if in a quadrilateral, one pair of opposite sides are parallel as well as equal, then it is a parallelogram according to the theorem we have already done. Hence, our work will be proved. Apart from that, the part I have added and half of it. How will we prove half of it? As we have proved, ADE is congruent to CFE. Again, this is opposite to the equal angle. What? D equal to EF. And as such, if BCFD is a parallelogram, BC equal to FD. If BC equal to FD and DE equal to EF, then E is the midpoint of DF. So it is a parallelogram.
Yes, ma'am.
So it is half of it. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, by step, I will go on proving it with the proper conditions. What for which step you are mentioning? Reason for each step you are mentioning. Okay? Without writing reason, you cannot move forward. Now, for the construction, next comes your construction.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, by ASA we can also prove it is a congruent.
ASA.
Ma'am, angle A and angle C.
And how will you prove?
Ma'am, by alternate interior angles as AB parallel.
BA parallel to CF, this is transversal, hence
Yes,
this
ma'am.
angle is equal to this angle. This is what you wanted to say. ASA,
Yes, ma'am.
ASA. This is what you want to say?
Yes, ma'am.
You can take that also.
Yes, ma'am.
Anyhow, our
Okay, ma'am.
anyhow, either you take AAS or
Yes,
A.
ma'am.
I want this sort of interaction from the class. If you have really followed, then you can interact with me this way. I'll be very happy if you use your own brain.
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
first thing to prove it on the basis of quadrilateral, we have to develop a parallelogram. After developing a parallelogram, the generated triangles to be congruent. Which criteria we need? The two criteria are very clearly seen to us. The third criteria, as I took AAS, you said, ma'am, we can take AAS. Yes, that can also be taken.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So will I go with AAS or ASA? Whichever you like. Both are correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Which one will I write? Tell me.
Ma'am, anyone. AS.
Z is formed here. Z is formed. This is parallel. So they are interior alternate angles. ASA or AAS? Tell me.
Ma'am, AAS.
ASA, fine. Construction will remain same. Understood?
Hmm.
And why to do what construction? Before proving, you have to confirm. Now, construction, draw
Draw.
parallel line, draw CF parallel to BA and extend DE to meet CF to meet at F. This much construction only required. Okay. Now start the proof. I hope you all are clear enough. I will just go. Still, while writing any step you find difficult to follow, you can ask me immediately.
ଏମିତି କାଇଁ ରହୁଛି ଏଇଟା?
Yes, what
ଏଇ
happened?
ଯୋଉଟା ରାଇଟ୍ ହେଇକି ରହୁଛି
Louder, I can follow you.
ଏଇଟା ଫୁଲ୍ ହବା କଥା ପୁରା।
Who is this? Whose mic is on? Muted. What are you talking? Concentrate in your studies. I could see 46 participants now. Who are the 4 children joined late? I will ask it at the end, not now. Please mute. If you want to speak to me, only unmute and then again mute it. In between a class, how can you get disturbed? It's not that easy to follow if you just get disturbed in between. Now start the proof. In triangle ADE and triangle CFE, what do we get? AE equals to CF. Why? Given. Then coming to angle DAE equals to FCE. Why? Interior alternate angle. I wrote IAA. I hope you will follow me. Interior alternate angle. And then
Yes, ma'am.
angle AED is equal to angle FEC. Why? Vertically opposite angle.
Vertical opposite angle.
Okay?
Ma'am, how AE is equals to CF?
Once again, louder.
Ma'am, how AE is equals to CF?
CF have I written?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, it's each children. By mistake, I missed out this bottom line. It is CE, not CF. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. I'm thinking that only.
This is A. It's given to you. E is the midpoint of side AC.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? Now,
That's the
I can conclude triangle ADE is congruent to triangle CFE. Why? What is the criteria? By ASA.
ASA criterion.
If by ASA this triangle is congruent to this triangle, which already I've said it, then what are we getting?
Ma'am, AD is equals to CF
AD,
equals to CF.
CF. What else we get?
Angle ADF.
DE is equal to EF. This also we get.
Ma'am, angle ADE is equals to CFE.
We don't need anything else. Now we will focus on our required points only. If you get diverted, then your line of proving will be disturbed. Followed? So what will you do? Now we will concentrate after we have proved this triangle equal to this triangle. Only we will concentrate to prove that it's a parallelogram, and because E is the midpoint of DF and that is equal DF equal to BC, it is half of the third side. First we will go to prove DE parallel to BC.
BC.
Right?
Yes,
For
ma'am.
that, what will we do? If they are congruent, now we got implies that angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
If angle 1 is equal to angle 2, what does it prove? That is not required, children. That is unnecessary I'm writing.
Yes, ma'am.
It's not required. Already by construction, we have taken CF is parallel to AB. So that is not required.
Yes, ma'am.
If that would have been not taken, then we would have shown they are alternate interior angles equal. So these are parallel. That's already parallel constructed. Only we have
Yes,
to
ma'am.
accept AD equal to CF. Because D is the midpoint, DD is also equal to CF of the quadrilateral. That is what we have to take.
Yes,
We don't
ma'am.
have to take this one.
As DB is
Unnecessarily
a
our
part of AB.
proof will become lengthened and lengthened. Now
Yes, ma'am.
coming to the point, AD is equal to CF is equal to BD. What is the reason? D midpoint
D
of
midpoint of AB.
AB. If in a pair now quadrilateral B C F D is a parallelogram. Why? What is the reason? As I mentioned earlier, for each step you are writing, you have to give the cause. What is the cause? What is the reason here? One pair
One pair of opposite
One
sides
pair.
are parallel.
opposite sides parallel and equal.
And equal.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
If one pair of opposite sides are parallel and equal, then the quadrilateral is a parallelogram. Proved. After
Yes,
you
ma'am.
proved, you got DE parallel to BC. First part is proved.
First one.
First part is proved. This is your first part. Then coming to DE half of BC. As we have proved these two triangles are congruent, E is the midpoint of DF and DF equal
Yes,
to
ma'am.
BC. DF
Equal to BC.
and DE equals to
Midpoint.
FE.
Yes.
Implies that DE
DE half
equals to half of BC.
of BC.
Proved.
Yes, ma'am.
Here you proved the first part. Here you proved the second part. Now, any doubt? If you have any doubt, you can ask me, Cholan, and I want to know from 44 again it is 43 right now. Why? Who is coming and leaving? What is this going on first period itself? It was 46, now it is 43. Now, has anybody joined late or some outsiders are there in the class? From 42, it had become 46, now 43. I want to know who joined late. Yajit, are you there? Jaideep Singh, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Jaideep. Now Jagjit. Now again one child left. I don't understand. First period itself, this is the behavior. What will you do till the end of the day? Who are the four children? Are they outsiders left now?
No, ma'am.
Never pass our link to anybody when the class is going on. Am I clear enough?
Yes.
Please take care that much, because the school as well as your teachers are working hard to give you something through online. According to the situation, we have to come across it. That does not mean that it will hamper our studies. Now on this theorem, if you have any doubt, you do ask me. Tomorrow we will be coming with the converse of this theorem, that is 8.10.
8.10.
Just opposite. Here whatever given, that will be proved, and whatever to prove here, that would be given there.
Given.
If a line parallel to one side of a triangle, it passes through the midpoints of the other two sides, and it is half of it. That is converse of this theorem. Now anything you want to chat with me, or you want to tell me, you can give me this report on this theorem. If you face difficulty, can ask me now. Only one answer I want. Could you follow it properly or not? Anywhere, any point difficult for you?
No, ma'am. We could follow it properly.
Louder.
Yeah, ma'am. We could follow it properly, ma'am.
Okay, you followed properly. So you enjoyed this class today.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So tomorrow we will go for the converse of this theorem, and then again some extra questions.
Okay, ma'am.
I am not going to give any extra question today to you, right? But you did not inform me the extra questions I had given already. You have answered it or not? Have you answered 12 plus 5, 17 questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now time getting up, children. I'll end it now.
Yes, ma'am.
Bye-bye, children.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Again tomorrow.
Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, welcome.
Thank you,
Bye-bye,
ma'am.
children, again.
Thank you, ma'am.